The five vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. A consonant is any of the other letters that are not vowels. A hard C makes the same sound as the letter K. The letter C makes a hard sound when it is followed by an A, O, U, or a consonant. To make a hard C sound, put the back of your tongue on the roof of your mouth and blow out a little air. Ka, ka, ka. I like to have a cup of coffee in the morning. I took a picture of my cat with my camera. I drew a picture of a cloud in class. A soft C makes the same sound as the letter S. The letter C makes a soft sound when it is followed by an E, I, or a Y. To make a soft C sound, just put your tongue behind your teeth and blow out a little air like tss, tss, tss. I ran a race through the city. I like to drink juice with ice on a hot day. Some words like circle, circus, or cycle have both sounds. I marked the center of this circle with my pencil. I saw a clown ride a unicycle at the circus.